That's right, guys. I just got here to Knott's Berry Farm for a little tasting preview of what guests can expect at the Knott's Boysenberry Festival this year. I am really hungry and I'm excited to check out these options, so let's go. I figured we would start with the savory things and save the sweet stuff for last. I already tried the chicken wings. They were really, really nice. It's like a boysenberry barbecue sauce. It's not too overwhelmingly sweet and it's not too spicy either, which is good for me because I'm not the biggest spice fan. But it's not too overwhelming. And I tried the short rib, which is a pretty good portion actually, and it comes on this bed of rice. And much like the barbecue sauce on the chicken wings, it's pretty subtle. It just adds a nice little additional flavor to the short rib itself. I'm really interested in the quesadilla. I have no idea what to expect with this. I love that it's purple. My favorite color. That is a little weird. It's a little weird. It's good, but I can't say that it's like anything I've ever really had before. I don't know what to make of that actually. Other than I honestly really love this color combo. It's a boysenberry salsa, which is interesting. Oh man. It keeps like changing. It's just so weird. I'm pretty excited about this one, even though this one kind of, I don't know what to anticipate on this. It's street corn, except it's a boysenberry mayonnaise and a boysenberry butter. I'm kind of scared. Oh, that's really good. I know my lipstick is everywhere, but I don't really care. That is so good. It tastes like street corn, but it's like just a little hint of sweetness in there from that boysenberry. I would absolutely get this again. I mean, I've already tried like 5 things. This is probably my favorite one actually. So many things. I'm really glad I didn't eat dinner. This is a boysenberry pierogi. It's got a little bit of onions on there, a little bit of bacon. Not too different. The pierogi, it's very potatoey, which is pretty much like most of the flavor. It's potatoey, but the bacon adds a nice little additional flavor to that. There's so many things. I mean, this is everything that like we're trying over here. There's a lot of options tonight. So we'll go ahead and try this sausage. It's really beautiful. The different colors. I'm a big purple fan, so we'll try this boysenberry ketchup.
Thank you. Have a good day. You too.
That is really good too. You know what I love is all of this stuff has like this touch of sweetness and just this like hint of boysenberry that doesn't overpower any of these other flavors. It's also really well balanced. I can't say I've had a lot of things that taste like these things. It's pretty exciting. Look at me trying new things. I love the way that this milk tea actually looks like this beautiful purple ombre. And it's got boba in the bottom of it. Oh wow, this is really, really good. It's got honey boba in the bottom. I could drink 10 of these probably. This is really, really good. Moving on from that, very excited to try this boysenberry cheesecake. It's beautiful. It almost looks too beautiful to eat. I love that it's on a popsicle stick. No time to waste in eating a beautiful piece of cheesecake. That is delicious. There's boysenberry in it, as well as a boysenberry icing on top here. And then a little bit of a a fruit glaze there on top. Very rich, but very creamy. And that crust is really nice and crunchy too. Yeah, this is a winner for sure. I'm gonna make my own boysenberry pie. And Jessica here just told me I can put however much boysenberry filling or whipped cream that I want. So that's pretty exciting. I will tell you guys right now, I like a lot of whipped cream. Look at that. And there it is. I am completely stuffed. We had so many things to try out tonight, and it was just a fraction of what you can expect at the Boysenberry Fest this year. I mean, we're talking about 75 items, so there's gonna be something for everybody. It kicks off March 16th and goes till April 8th. So come down to Knott's Berry Farm and check it out while you can. And I'm gonna see how much of this Boysenberry cotton candy that I can still finish, because it is really, really good. Back to you guys.